In this video, I'll show you how you can fix 500 internal server error. First thing that I suggest you do is you come up here and you go to settings. Then you want to head over to About Chrome and make sure that it's up to date. Now if you're using another browser, you just want to make sure that browser is updated. After that, try and head over to Reset Settings and try and reset everything to the defaults. If this still doesn't work, what you can do is come up to Privacy and Security, delete browsing data and choose all time and delete all your browsing data. If for some reason it's still not working, try and create a new tab and then try and launch it from here and see if that works. Now if none of these work, what I suggest you do is you come down here and search for View Network Connections, find your internet and right click Properties, find Internet Protocol version 4 and make sure it's ticked, and then go to Properties. In here what you want to do is type in use the following DNS server, and you want to type these numbers right here. 88888844. Try and use these numbers, press OK, and then see if it works now. If it still doesn't work, what you can do is right click, disable, and then right click enable, and then restart your PC. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.